Welcome to the Loop English Pod. Today, two friends are hitting the road, bags in the trunk, snacks on the seat, playlist ready, and absolutely no plan for bathroom stops. One phrase in today's episode is something your textbook would love, but say it to a friend in the car and they'll think you're reading from a script. Let's listen.
Okay, everything's in. We are officially ready to go.
Did you grab the snacks? Please tell me you grabbed the snacks.
2 bags of chips, 1 pack of gummy bears, and a giant water bottle. We're set.
You are a lifesaver. Okay, I've got the playlist loaded. Do you want me to start it now or wait until we're out of the city?
Start it now. I need something to get me through this traffic.
Oh, the GPS says there's a delay on the highway. We should take the back road out.
Good call. Which way does it want us to go?
Turn left at the next light. Then just follow it straight for about 20 minutes.
Easy. Hey, this song is perfect for a road trip. Good playlist, Priya.
Thank you, I worked very hard on it. 2 whole hours of curating.
2 hours? That's dedication. Okay, we're on the back road now. Let's make up some time.
Ethan, can you slow down a little? There are speed bumps through here.
Sorry. I didn't see them. Is that better?
Much better. Thank you. Okay, we're almost out of the city. I can feel it.
4 hours to go. I can already smell the fresh air.
That's the chips. But same energy.
Now let's break down some key phrases, starting with today's textbook trap. Your textbook probably taught you to say, "Could you please reduce the speed?" It's grammatically correct, but nobody says that to a friend. What you'll actually hear is, "Can you slow down a little?" Much more natural. Priya said, "Did you grab the snacks?" Grab is very common here. You could also say, "Did you pick up the snacks?" Or "Did you get the snacks?" All three work perfectly in casual conversation. When Ethan said good call about taking the back road, he was agreeing with a decision. You can also say smart move or that makes sense. These are all natural ways to agree with someone's idea. Ethan said we're set, meaning everything is ready. You can also say we are good to go or we are all sorted. These are great phrases when you're ready to leave or start something. Now let's listen to part 2.
Okay, I think we need to stop for gas pretty soon. The tank is getting low.
There's a station coming up in about 5 minutes according to the GPS. We can stop there.
Perfect. I need to stretch my legs anyway.
Same. And I want to check if they have anything good to eat. I'm already going through the chips.
We've been driving for 45 minutes.
Road trip rules. Snacks don't count.
I'll allow it. Oh, there's the station. I'll pull in.
Can you fill it up all the way? I'll run in and grab something.
Sure. If they have those hot dogs, grab me one.
Hot dogs from a gas station? Ethan, we've talked about this.
Gas station hot dogs are a road trip tradition. Don't knock it until you've tried it.
Fine. I'm not judging. I'll be back in 5 minutes.
Hey, how far have we come? Check the GPS.
About 65 kilometers. We're almost a third of the way there.
Not bad. How much longer do you think?
GPS says about 2 hours and 40 minutes if the traffic stays clear.
Okay, we're making good time then. Let's get back on the road.
Here are more ways to express what you just heard. Ethan said, "I need to stretch my legs." This is the natural way to say you want to get out of the car and walk around. You can also say, "I need to get out and move around," or simply, "I need a break from driving." Priya said, "Can you fill it up all the way?" Meaning fill the gas tank completely. You can also say, "Can you top it off?" which means the same thing and is very natural at a gas station. When Ethan said, "Don't knock it until you've tried it," he meant don't criticize something before experiencing it. This is a very common English expression. You'll hear it often when someone defends a food choice. Ethan said, "We're making good time." This means the trip is going faster than expected. The opposite would be we are falling behind or we are losing time. These are useful phrases when traveling with friends. Now let's listen to part 3.
Oh, we're getting close. I can see the mountains now.
Finally. Okay, what's the plan when we get there? Do we check in first or head straight out?
Check in, drop the bags, then go explore. I don't want to waste any time.
Agreed. Hey, can I just say, this drive went way faster than I thought it would.
Right? I feel like we just left. Maybe it was the playlist.
Definitely the playlist. And the conversation. And honestly, the hot dog.
You and that hot dog. I can't believe that's your road trip highlight.
It was a really good hot dog, Priya.
Oh wait, Ethan, that's our turn. Turn right, turn right.
Okay. I see it. Hang on.
Did we make it?
Just barely. That was close.
I need you to not do that again.
Noted. Okay, I think I can see the hotel from here. We made it.
We made it. That was such a good drive. Honestly, way more fun than I expected.
Same. Road trips with good company are the best. Let's park and get this trip started.
Let's explore a few more useful alternatives. Priya said, I don't want to waste any time, meaning she wants to start doing things right away. You can also say, I want to hit the ground running, or let's make the most of it. Both sound very natural. When Ethan said, this drive went way faster than I thought it would, the word way here means much or a lot. You can also say it flew by or the time really flew. These are great phrases when something ends quickly. Ethan said, just barely when they made the turn. This means they succeeded, but only by a small margin. You can also say, we just made it, or that was tight. All three describe a close call. Priya said, that was such a good drive, using such a for emphasis. You could also say, that was an amazing drive, or what a great trip. Notice how such a adds extra feeling to the sentence. Time for the loop. Let's practice some key phrases.
Did you grab the snacks?
We're set.
Good call.
Can you slow down a little?
I need to stretch my legs.
Can you fill it up all the way?
Don't knock it until you've tried it.
We're making good time.
I don't want to waste any time.
The drive went way faster than I thought.
Just barely.
That was such a good drive.
Let's make the most of it.
Road trips with good company are the best.
That's all for today's episode. Whether you're planning a road trip or just having a conversation with a friend, the phrases from today's episode will help you sound more natural and confident in real English. If this episode helped you, please subscribe to the Loop English Pod so you never miss a new episode. Before you go, here is a recap of today's key phrases. Thanks for listening to the Loop English Pod. See you next time.